Right now, traction fully on or off or what? Oh, that's where the button is. DTC. Oh, you can do it while driving?
Yeah.
What? Yo, them pops is crazy. Why? It's fun. That turbo though.
Tap on the gas a little bit, it's gonna pump a bit more.
Alright. So hard to get used to BMW tail. It's a BMW turn signals.
Man, I actually got trouble with it.
Oh my. I think I shouldn't own a fast car, bro. I'm gonna be so childish. I'm gonna be I love the turbo sound.
Almost sounds like a diesel. Like a diesel truck.
But it sounds so good here, just spooling up. And then the fifth is like, oh yeah, it's a regular 335. Hello. Like shit, it's probably just be like that. And which turbo you said it was?
It was on 367 millimeter.
On 367 meter.
67 millimeter,
Yo! What the hell? It felt like it was just pushing me around the corner though. Yeah. Like it wasn't even slipping. Let's see. So just come off the clutch smooth and floor it.
Yeah.
It spun the whole second. I think we might have left some marks. Yo. That thing spun the whole entire second gear. Still haven't got used to the clutch yet. So boost hits like right around 4.5
Oh shit.
Yo, I told you spun the whole entire second gear. Say spun first, shifted second, spun second. There it is, guys. N54 big old turbo 800 horsepower beast. We drove it today on 550 wastegates. E50 mixture, a little bit of 85, a little bit of 93. And I'm telling you, this thing pops like crazy. It shot a flame too. It shot a big flame too. But yeah, this thing is crazy, man. Go check out his Instagram if you want to see more of the 335, which is no average 335. You see it? You see it from outside, you're coming up from the back, you're like, all right, I see you. Might be stock, might be stock. Coming up, ooh, nice little fitment, you know what I'm saying? Wait, why am I hearing it louder? Wait, why getting louder? Wait, I'm hearing turbo. Oh my gosh. Yeah, go check out his Instagram. Drop a thumbs up on the video. Comment what you want to see next. I definitely love this. Damn, she just woke up. Those pops just got loud.
Yeah, once you hit 4,000 RPM, it's gonna be crazy. Hit 4,000.
Damn, it's fun right there. So the higher up the RPM you go, the louder it gets.
Yeah.
Why this Challenger coming up so fast? You shouldn't do that, so you're just gonna waste our gas. Like, that's all you're gonna do, waste our gas. He coming See, I know if you were driving, you would have got him, but...
Oh yeah.
Listen to those pops, bro. I like how you can just tap the gas and it pops like crazy. I love that. Just give it a little simple, just step on it, and it just pop, 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 pop. I saw the video where you took your mom for a ride.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, damn. Trying to give her a heart attack already? Like,
Man, I thought she had like passed out or something. Yeah. Wake up, wake up.
officer, you gonna block off the whole road for me? I didn't know I was going that bad. So I'm childish when it comes to these things, bro. I got the old lady in the just looking at me, bro, in the minivan. That was a real gunshot right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yo, so what y'all doing down there?
Oh, probably a spinner.
Yeah. I saw the hearse, that's why I give it some pops, you know? You gotta
Wake him up.
you know what I'm saying? Get up. It's ain't time to die yet. Get up. I should give him some pops just for that. There you go, sir. Have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed those pops. This is so sick, bro.